Welcome everyone on today's Metal3 Community meeting. Today is 28th of August 2024. My name is Adam Rosman and I will be your host today. I think we can skip introductions. I don't see any new participants and we can go forward with the reminders. Please remember that the meeting is recorded. Also, if you would like to help the project with contributions, then feel free to check out the Help Wanted labels or the Good First Issue labels. You can filter the project via this link in the meeting notes, or you can just filter by yourself and look for the Help Wanted and the Good First Issues. We have quite a lot of these still, and it would be nice to move ahead with them. Other than that, if you think your organization would benefit from adding itself as an adopter, or you would like to help the project, then please don't hesitate and create a pull request and modify the adopters.md file in the root of the community repository and add the extra row with the details of your organization and the date of adoption and so on. And that would help us gauge the adoption of the project. If you have any issues related to the tests and you think that it's not related to your change, but something is wrong with the CI, then please create an issue in the affected repository and give it a flake prefix, and then assign it to the Metal3 CI tracker project on the right side here. And that way, the CI maintainers can better track the issues. Other than this, you can read about and find out about the state of the project by following these links below. Soon, I think our incubation proposal will be handled, or at least the process will start at some point. But as far as I can see, it has not started yet, but we are on the top of the queue, so at any day now, the due diligence process might start. Okay, other than that, yeah, feel free to check out any of the links below, and then we can continue with the community working group updates. Before we would start, I have been out of office last 2 weeks, so if there is something from the last 2 weeks that you would like to bring up again or discuss, then just please shout and we will discuss that. I haven't followed the meetings in the last 2 weeks. Yeah, that's also next topic is the IRA scalability working group, and Mohammed has an approve request here.
Yeah, I was also out of the office a few weeks ago. Before that, we got the patch, the interface merged on the Sushi tools. So now it's ready to be used with the fake IPA hosted on the Metal3. Today, I was doing some tests and I noted that the Sushi tools, the latest image on QI doesn't have the changes needed, and I just noted that probably the build is using this fix version, so it needed to be updated because I was doing some changes as well. I got some reviews. People wanted like to avoid using these custom scripts for testing the fake IPA. They wanted to integrate it directly with the dev tools, or dev-env, I mean. And yeah, that for just maintainability and yeah, things like that. So I was doing some tests with the dev-env, trying to run the fake IPA and Sushi tools. I needed this to be on the latest image on QA, so it can be run on the PR that I have. I was thinking if the Sushi Tools image, at least the main label or the main tag, should use directly like the main branch on the repo of the Sushi Tools, or it's okay to keep this like fixed versions. Not sure how the community is handling that.
Yeah, from my point of view, I don't have anything against this moving or bumping up the Sushi Tools version. I don't think I think in the past we had discussions about separating the Sushi Tools from this image and so on, but it haven't gone anywhere. So I think it's fine like this. That you just update the version here, and then it will be part of the next release branch and so on. So it's fine.
Yeah, that's fine with me as well. I just need this to get merged to proceed with the tests and the other PRs that I have. So yeah, if it's already approved by you, then that's fine.
Yeah, I approved it, but I don't have approval rights.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah, if anyone in the community can help with that, that would be great. Thanks.
Yeah. Thanks, Mohammed. I hope we will find someone with the rights. Is there anyone else who has some comments to Iron scalability? I know there has been discussions going on related to Iron stand-down operator. I will take a look at some point, but I'm busy with something else now. And I think the release team has also advertised all the releases that happened recently. And basically, the only thing we are waiting for is still the Ironic, I think Ironic image release, the new one. And there are some roadblocks there, I heard. So yeah, I won't mention it here, on under the release team. But if there's someone who would like to give some update related to that, but as far as I've seen the discussions, it's coming, but it's out of our hands at the moment. Okay, from roadmap editor side, I don't think there was anything related to the roadmap. That's not that important at the moment, but we will have to, or at least the roadmap editor teams might need some discussion around what to do with the roadmap going forward. There are some automation that's still missing from there, but anyways, not urgent. Yeah, so any question or comment related to the working groups? Okay,
Yeah,
yep.
just an update regarding the release. Even though we don't have the Ironic image released yet, we still decided to have an RC version released last week. And yeah, we also have the release branches, and we about to have the CI ready for these branches. But long story short, we have RC0 for BMO Ironic, sorry, BMO KVM3 and IPAM. Yeah, unfortunately, Ironic image is not ready yet, but at least that's something. If you're interested, you could give a look and try out. So.
Okay, one second. Wait, let me write down the RCs here because these are just the patch releases. So what are the versions? CapM3, 1.8
KMG
R3?
1.8.8.0 RC0.
I don't know what's the format, but I will write it like this.
Yeah, it is a correct format. IBAM is the same version. And BMO will be 1.0.7.0 RC0.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah.
That's good news. Okay, anyone else with any other comment, question related to the working groups? Okay, if not, we don't really have discussion topics at the moment. Is there someone who would like to propose at this point discussion topic? If there's none, I already done some pre-triaging quickly. We didn't have a lot of issues, and I went through them. There has been 2 minor that I accepted, or 1, and then most of them are basically silent and waiting for information. And then I put this top one on invalid because this was a question, and then that was answered multiple times, and there were multiple questions, so it's not really an actionable issue. And let's hope we can close that top one, but otherwise it's relatively silent. And I also checked the stales, so what's now in stale is actually stale. So 2 of these long-standing non-communicative issues that are waiting for triage, and they can get deleted if we don't get any feedback on these. And then a flake, and then another flake, so this can go away without any problem. And then I moved also one to frozen, which is quite a complicated topic, and there has been some discussion, but this also became stale. This is the rework of the architecture of the provisioner so that we could have more like a pluggable system and whatnot, but there is no active work ongoing, and it's just getting stale. So because it's actually a good discussion, good idea, I moved it to frozen. So that's all basically. Is there any comments, questions, anything that we should discuss? We still have a lot of time. Okay, if not, before we finish, I would like to thank Sunat and Adil for facilitating the previous 2 meetings. Thanks while I was away, so thanks for your help, folks. That's really good teamwork that you picked it up, and you managed to continue with the meetings. So thank you. Yeah, I don't have anything else. So thank you for your time and attention, and let's hope next week we will have more topics to discuss. And until then, have a nice week, and bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks everyone. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.